Remember that the standard error of body fat from skin folds is plus or minus 3.5%. The three factors that can affect it are poor technique, extremely lean or obese subjects, or improperly calibrated calipers. All measurements should be taken on subject's right side. Remember to always rotate in the measures so the skin can come back to normal. If measures are off by more than 2 millimeters, subject should be retested. Subscapular measurement, which will be a diagonal fold at a 45-degree angle, 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. You get a good pinch. Make sure to hold the calipers for 1 to 2 seconds and then release. Then we'll come over to the triceps, which will be a vertical fold on the posterior midline of the upper arm, halfway between the acromion and the olecranon process, with the arm held freely to the side of the body. It will be measured with a good pinch, holding the calipers 1 to 2 seconds, and then release. Next, the chest will be measured. This will be a diagonal fold, 1/2 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for men, and 1/3 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for women. Make sure you get a good pinch. Measure and hold the calipers for 1 to 2 seconds and then release. Next, the mid-axillary will be tested. This will be a vertical fold on the mid-axillary line at the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum. An alternate method is a horizontal fold taken at the level of the xiphoid sternal border in the mid-axillary line. Again, it will be a vertical fold. Hold the calipers 1 to 2 seconds and then release. Next, we will take the suprailiac, which will be a diagonal fold in line with the natural angle of the iliac crest taken in the anterior axillary line immediately superior to the iliac crest. Hold the calipers 1 to 2 seconds and then release. The next will be the abdominal. This will be a vertical fold 2 centimeters to the right side of the umbilicus. Make sure you get a good pinch without getting the subject's muscle. Measure, hold 1 to 2 seconds, and then release. Next, we will measure the thigh. This will be a vertical fold on the anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease, the hip. Make sure you get a good pinch. Hold 1 to 2 seconds and then release. And that's how we take body composition measurements. The 7-site formula will be used where you measure chest, mid-axillary, triceps, subscapular, abdomen, and suprailiac and thigh. The body density formula for men is as follows, and for women as follows. As you can see, you could plug in the sum of 7 folds to the body density After you have gotten your body density, you can plug in your results to the Bozak equation or the Siri equation to calculate percent body fat. Thank you for watching.